Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa salatu wa salamu ala Sayyidina Muhammadin Ashrafil Mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Respected dignitaries, honorable judges, and my dear friends, I'm very honored today to speak on this special occasion, the Excellencia Art Fest. This year's theme, Through the Scrolls. It takes us on a journey through time, from the ancient scrolls of wisdom to today's modern digital world. It shows us how education has evolved through each era, how each era brought new revolutions in education, and today that revolution is artificial intelligence, a powerful tool that is transforming the way the teachers teach and learners learn. So let's get in. Today, we all are standing at the crossroads of two powerful forces, human intelligence and artificial intelligence. And together, they are redefining the very meaning of education. Artificial intelligence, or simply AI, has brought with it the gift of personalized learning. Artificial intelligence, it learns, it listens, and it observes each and every student, just like a good teacher. It studies each student's strengths and struggles and crafts lessons that match their unique learning style. In short, AI reminds us that each and every student matters. AI, as it continues to evolve, its significance in education is becoming more apparent, revolutionizing the way we teach and learn. AI is not just a tool for the future, it's a powerful ally in today's classrooms, enhancing learning experiences, supporting teachers, and making education more inclusive and more efficient. Additionally, AI-driven platforms create a customized learning path that ensures no one is left behind. AI is also helping to globalize education by breaking down language barriers and enabling cross-cultural communications. AI's role in education is multifaceted and undeniably significant, from personalizing learning experiences to promoting accessibilities. AI is shaping the future of education by making it more efficient, more inclusive, and more innovative. But my dear friends, as we move toward this elegant future, we must walk wisely. Technology can guide our minds. AI can answer our questions, but only humans can teach us why do those questions matter. As every coin has two sides, so do AI. Now let's flip the coin. AI, when we depend too much on AI, we just forget ourselves. When we are always spoon-feeded, we become passive learners. When AI does all the thinking for us, we, with our logical reasonings, we might even forget how to think for ourselves. And when technology begins to replace the human touch in education, can we as learners still stay truly human while being guided by these mechanical and artificial systems? It's a question that deserves serious thought. Moreover, in this digital era, we are flooded with information. Due to this overflow of information, it has become a tremendous burden to find true data and right answers. As we move toward this elegant future, we have to remember that AI is just a tool to assist education, but not to control it. So, as the future of education, let's blend the power of human empathy with the precision of machine intelligence to build a wonderful future where education never stops, curiosity never fades, and each and every student find their true potential. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum.